So I recently bought these from Facebook, and by recently I mean a couple of months ago. I've actually been meaning to fit them for a while now. They currently need cleaning and re-dyeing. They're a damn sight better than my seats with the lovely hole in the bolster. There is a few marks on them, but that's nothing a good wash and colour cannot fix. For me at least, I'm not exactly a perfectionist when it comes to seats, but I do love me a good set of leather seats. Obviously I've got these two, and the back bench as well with the foldable seat. They're absolutely great condition for the price I paid. I only paid 150 quid, so it'll really bring the car up to that next level, and hopefully these seats will be the last things I have to buy for it, because I have been spending a lot of money on that car. I might actually show you my gapless thing here. If not, because I'm too embarrassed to show you how much I've actually spent on this car. But yeah, they're absolutely great condition. They just need a bit of TLC before I actually fit them, so let's get to it. And they're a lot better than the original seats that I have in it now. So it's a bit more of a chill video today because my bedroom, office, whatever is an absolute mess. But as you can see, these seats are pretty okay. I mean, these bolsters obviously always get worn out. Well, they always get cracked, so they just need re-dyeing. I actually re-dyed my 75 steering wheel not too long ago, and that turned out pretty good, except for a bit of an overrun on one of the wiper stock and the indicator stock. These things though don't need that much attention really. They're quite good condition for their age. Well, I'd say they're about average, but yeah, the rears as well are very, very good. I'm quite pleased with them. I got some of this. Okay, fall over them. I've got some of this leather stuff from Amazon, which I'm obviously going to do after just giving them a bit of a wipe down with some of those absolutely shockingly brilliant leather wipes that I picked up for £2. So let's get to doing that. I'm gonna grab like a little bit of this, not too much, and just see how it goes. Yeah, I know it's white. I know I had to get the worst thing to ever apply it with, because I'll never be able to use this on anything else again. So it's already looking a bit better, but let's get to that mighty time lapse. We just look at the difference already. It's not even dry yet. It does look a bit patchy in the light though. Yeah, they're a lot better. So you can see all the cracking on that one. That had more or less the same sort of pattern going, especially on that side there. But as you can see, it's nowhere near as pronounced as that one. So a good before and after of this one as well would be pretty nice. So that is that. Very nice. Obviously you can see the bit patchy because they're going dry, but that is a million times better than it used to look. Wow, even that bolster, I'll just insert the before and after of the seat. It just looks great. Obviously, I can't do these two now because I don't have enough space. Well, this one and that one there, and this one. So I'm a bit stuffed for time, but these two look great. So far, anyway, we just gotta wait for them to dry. I might put another coat on, I might not. Obviously, I won't put another coat on the wall. If I don't post a video in a while, you know why, because I've managed to dye my own wall. But other than that, these two look pretty good. £100, I'm pretty happy with that. But look at all that dirt, fucking gross. That's fairly easy. It's quite concerning. That's not mine. It's not mine. This is though. I just find it so crazy how much space there is in cars when you remove the seats. Like, look at all this, I could like live in here. obviously we've got the mighty good dice. So we're going to hoover all this hot mess up before put everything back, because that's gross. Okay, so you remove the carpet trim bit, and there's 2 bolts at the back. They're 10mm, and then there's another one of these bastard things. So I've got to take that out now, but some progress at least. Oh, it's coming. It's coming. Come on. There we go though. Perfect. Ready for the, on that pulls to the side. Ready for the new seats. So that's everything for this car now. It's complete. Next video is going to be me tallying up exactly how much it cost me to get to this point and how long it's taken me, how many hours, etc. if I can find that out. Got them in, but it was a bit of a challenge. That back seat was probably the worst. The bench was easy, but the folding part, that was the only challenging bit. The rest of it was just pretty straightforward. Hopefully this helps some people, I guess. So, new video next week on the silver car, and then following that, we're going to have a video on the red car again, tallying up all that it's cost me to get it to this point. But yeah, those seats are certainly a welcome upgrade and really make the car feel as special as it needs to be. The cloth ones were nice, but they just didn't feel special enough. They felt a bit too Fiat Punto for me. So, thanks for watching. Keep watching. Subscribe for more.